Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting inside settings, go straight to accessibility. You do this because Android centralizes visual aids there, so you won't chase menus. Tap color correction or color inversion now. These are system-level filters that alter color output across apps. Once done, choose a preset or custom correction. If your device lacks the option, enable developer options and use color space emulation or install a trusted screen filter app. Make sure to keep attention to permissions so the filter can run continuously. Now fine-tune the filter so it's usable. Select the specific correction like protanopia, deuteranopia, tritanopia, or a custom mode. Each targets different color deficiencies, which is why choice matters. Then move the intensity slider slowly, testing at multiple percentages until colors are balanced but not washed out. Once you've set it, open the camera or a photo with varied colors to verify in real use. If colors look off, lower intensity or switch presets until natural contrast returns. Finish by locking in the setting and trying several apps, messaging, maps, browser, to confirm consistency. If the filter resets or disappears after reboot, check battery optimization and allow the accessibility or overlay permission to run in background. Android can kill services to save power. If visual anomalies persist, reboot into safe mode to rule out conflicting apps, and only then consider a third-party screen filter. One key tip: if colors flicker, toggle the filter off and on to refresh the GPU handling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.